and Rahmi.
Hi, I'm Mirza.
Hi, I'm Songhyun.
Hi, I'm Seongjae, and we are the team iFarmer. Our team was so delighted to win the first prize of SGAC's first hackathon, organized by the Diversity and Gender Equality Team, which was held last year here in Daejeon.
iFarmer is an all-weather agriculture farm-learned early warning system based on community-oriented approach. In iFarmer, our community highlight an issue. Then, by utilizing the state-of-the-art algorithm, we analyze and map the cropping pattern, crop suitability for some specific area, and then crop condition, and also crop yield forecast. Besides of that, iFarmer follow a simple approach, which is let us do the analysis and issue the guidelines. Farmer just follow our guidelines, and by doing so, farmer will get revenue. We expect the farmers' revenue will increase to 1.5 times by following our solution.
During the past 1 year, we mainly focused on technical aspect of iFarmer. We have already developed detailed methodological framework in which we divided iFarmer framework into following 3 submodules: Crop Mapper, Crop Monitor, Crop Yield Forecaster. Crop Monitor is fully independent module capable of mapping crop type by integrating satellite and in-situ data. Crop Monitor provides detailed information for crop condition assessment, which is very critical for crop disease mapping, crop water stress, and crop health assessment. Crop Yield Forecaster is a key module of iFarmer, which is capable of predicting crop yield during mid-cropping season. We have already implemented Crop Mapper to study crop types in selected areas of Pakistan. For complete implementation and deployment of iFarmer on our study area in Indonesia, we have signed MOU with Padang State University, Indonesia. During next 3 years, we will mainly focus on deployment of iFarmer framework in Indonesia and development of geospatial portal, where we'll be publishing results to share with stakeholders.
We took all the topics in this hackathon at the beginning, tech only and services to make a business. However, through this hackathon, we realized that some services are not only to making profit, but also can contribute to making the world more equal.
The one thing I want to say to all participants is to communicate with each other. We are all united under one event called Space Generation, which brings together diverse individuals. Therefore, the hackathon is a great opportunity to share your expertise, network, and achieve a common goal. Realizing a human network is not difficult if we have a shared vision. As someone who works in the Korean space market, I hope to meet you all someday in the global space market. Enjoy your competition!
감사합니다.